looking at number 9. Number 9 says find the unknown length. So what we're going to do is we draw an arrow from our right angle, and we figure out our c is the value of x. So what we have here is 6 squared plus 5 squared equals x squared. 36 plus 25 equals x squared. Then you get here, it's going to be, what is that, 61? Let me just make sure. Yep, 61 equals x squared. So then from here, I want to square root both sides. Square root of 61. Well, we do want an exact answer. So to get an exact answer, let's see if there's any numbers. It's not even, so let's try 3 first. 3 doesn't work. 61 divided by 4 doesn't work. 61 divided by 7 doesn't work. So this is our simplest answer, so x would be equal to square root 61. So that's the answer for number 9. Alright, we're looking at number 12. Number 12 is the same exact thing. They want us to find the unknown length. So what we have here, this is a right angle right here. Based off our right angle, our 15 is our square root. So we have x squared plus 6 squared equals 15 squared. Then we have x squared plus 36 equals 225. Then we subtract 36 to both sides. So you get x squared is equal to 225, 36, get 189. From here, we want to square root both sides. So let's just check what numbers can be to get the simplest. 189 divided by 3. So 3 works. So let's just break it down. Let's see what it'll break it down to. 3 and 63. Then we break it down to 7 and 9. Then we break it down to 3 and 3. We broke it to all primes. And you could always check your work if all these prime numbers multiply to equal 189. So 3 times 7 times 3 times 3. We get back to 189. We move it up a little. So what we have here is now x squared is equal to the square root of 189. That would become, you would break down to square root of 3 times 3 times 3 times 7. So we made that into that. So they're essentially the same thing. And so for us to break down the square root or the radical, we would take out what we share in common. So we pull this out. But there's no other pairs. So we have x is equal to 3 square root, 3 times 7, 21. Because 3 and 7 don't have any pairs. Alright, so that's the answer for number 12. 3 square root 21.